Welcome, my name is Wilfried Lhomme and I'm a senior crowd TD at DNEG. I work on a feature film and VFX projects such as Wicked for Good, F1 the movie, Black Panther Wakanda Forever, and Paw Patrol the movie 1 and 2. In this workshop, I walk you through a complete production-ready crowd workflow using Golaem and Unreal Engine 5 based on a real technique used in high-end Hollywood movie and cinematic production. We start in Maya with Golaem, covering agent creation, animation assignment, motion pass, trigger, transition, shop editor, and layout for complex shots. We'll use all the tools and resources provided by Golaem to build a clean and efficient setup. Then we'll move into Unreal Engine 5, focusing on cache integration, scale and timing validation, sequencer, lighting and overall cinematic polish. This tutorial is designed for both beginner and experienced artists who want to build clean, efficient and professional crowd workflow for VFX production.